Hello everyone, happy March. I am posting this because I promised to do a quiet flip through of my One Little Word album from 2021. And so I did a chatty one that you can find on my channel, but I'm going to do a quiet one now. And as I always say, wish me luck, because I'm a very chatty person and it's hard for me not to speak. I will apologize up front. We have a standalone ice maker that sometimes drops ice and makes a little noise. I have two little dogs who occasionally like to bark or snore. And also the furnace is running because it's quite chilly today. But without further ado, here is my One Little Word flip through from 2021. My word was home, and it was one of the best words I've ever done. And it just made so much difference in my life, so I'm excited about that. Most of the products are Allie Edwards products with a few other things thrown in. And the bones of the whole thing is the Allie Edwards One Little Word course that she offers. So here we go.